the new generation trying to figure out a disposable camera.
I think it's ready to go.
Okay, we'll take a picture. Now what do you do after that?
You don't just take it? You're not done?
You're not done.
Do you have to, like, do this?
Yay!
What does this do?
That winds the film to the next picture.
How do you know it's winding up?
Because it'll stop winding.
Oh. Oh.
And then you have to, like, do the flash if you needed flash.
How do you do the flash?
You press the button.
This is a whole button. This is just a piece of cardboard.
You press the button. There's a button there.
This one?
Yeah. You wait till it charges up.
Oh. What?
Only if you fuck with the flash.
I did the flash. Oh, that's upside down.
Yeah, please say you got it.
I did.
That's actually going to come out upside down.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also check out our other channels that we have. You can check out my Facebook and Instagram. Also, shoot me an email if you needed a question answered. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!